Welcome to Jogo Coaching. In this video, I am going to explain top 10 differences between Scrum and Kanban methodologies. Comparisons between these two methodologies are done based on 10 parameters shown in this page. The parameters are planning approaches, how is the planning done in these methodologies, delivery cycle, what is the delivery speed and focus, roles defined in these frameworks, events or meetings recommended in Scrum and Kanban. Scope change management. How is it handled in these methodologies? How is estimation done in these methodologies? Workflow type and process followed in the product delivery. When to use Scrum and when to use Kanban. Artifacts used in these methodologies. How are the team members collaborating on daily basis? Both Scrum and Kanban are agile frameworks, and their main focus is to deliver value to the customer in short cycle time. The first comparison is based on work planning approach. Scrum follows iterative and adaptive planning approach. Kanban follows lean planning approach. In Scrum, planning occurs at the beginning of each iteration, that is called sprint planning meeting. In Kanban, planning will be done when the team finishes an item. The second parameter is delivery cycle. Scrum focuses on 2 to 4 weeks delivery cycle, that is called sprint. There is no sprint in Kanban. Sprint duration is time boxed. In Kanban, main focus is continuous workflow. At the end of each sprint, product will be delivered by the team, that is in Scrum. In Kanban, delivery will be based on the continuous flow of work. The third comparison is based on the roles. Scrum has 3 defined roles, that are Scrum Master, Development Team and Product Owner. There is no defined roles in Kanban. Team is the main role and it's flexible to have other roles as well. The fourth comparison is based on events and meetings. In Scrum, events are defined with clear agenda, outcome and participants. Sprint planning, daily Scrum meeting, sprint review and sprint retrospectives are the events defined in Scrum framework. In Kanban, daily meetings will be followed by the team. Another meeting that will be followed by the Kanban team is commitment meetings. At the end of the work closure, service delivery review meeting will be followed by the Kanban teams. The fifth comparison is how the scope change managed or handled in Scrum and Kanban. Scope will be fixed within the sprint cycle in Scrum. Any scope change should wait till the sprint is completed. Scrum framework is less flexible. In Kanban, scope change is accepted at any time. Kanban is more flexible framework. Kanban focuses on work in progress limit, that's called WIP limit. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notification about future videos. The sixth comparison is about estimation done in Scrum and Kanban. User stories will be estimated by story points in Scrum. Task will be estimated in hours in Scrum. In Kanban, workflow projection is used instead of estimation. There is no estimation methodology recommended in Kanban. The next comparison is when to use Scrum and when to use Kanban. Scrum is an incremental development framework. If the requirements are evolving, Scrum is a suitable framework. To focus on empirical process, Scrum is a good fit. In Kanban, we don't have this empirical or evolving process. Kanban is mainly suitable for support and maintenance projects. If there is a bug fix and ticket-based systems, and Kanban is the best framework. The eighth comparison is based on the artifacts. Scrum recommends product backlog, sprint backlog, burn down chart, and velocity artifacts. Kanban recommends Kanban board and the Kanban cards that move around the board. The next comparison is based on the collaboration. Scrum team owns the goal and collaborate well. Scrum team follows the Scrum events. Scrum recommends cross-functional team. In Kanban, specialized team is allowed. Team defines and owns their process. Anyone can pull the work and do it from the backlog. The next comparison is based on team and commitment. Scrum recommends cross-functional teams. Team must commit the work for the sprint. In Kanban, we can have a specialized team and commitment is optional for the teams. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this, please click the like button and share with others. Be sure to subscribe to this channel to watch the future videos. Thank you.